Hi everyone, so instead you will learn how to enter into a full screen mode using JavaScript. As you can see, I've created a basic demo here and there are two buttons, enter and exit. When I will click on enter, I will enter into a full screen mode and you can see I'm getting a status here, activated. That means I'm in a full screen mode. Now when I will click on exit button, I'm getting a status of deactivated and I'm out of the full screen mode. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. To achieve this, I'm using this library screenful.js. This is basically a wrapper around the full screen API because full screen API has some cross-browser compatibility issues. So I will also suggest you, instead of using full screen API directly, you should go with this library. And we are going to explore only two methods. The first one is this screenful request. First we'll check whether it is enabled or not in the browser. And then we'll call this method screenful.request. There's also one more method, that is exit, to get out of the full screen mode. If you scroll down a bit, you will see all the properties and the methods. Okay, so these are the methods and the properties. You can also verify whether you are in full screen mode or not using this property is full screen. It is basically a boolean. It will return true or false. So enough talk. I think we should get started. So let's go to code editor. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's get an index file here. It will be index.html. Here we need a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. Here we need a script tag. I will create the script later. That will be script.js. We also need to include the screenful.js. So let's go to GitHub repo. Here you will find the CDN link. Click on it. The latest version is 5.2.0. So click here, pick that version and click here to copy. Now go to code editor, paste it. Now create a div element here. Give it a class of container. We need two button elements. First will be enter. Give it an ID of enter. Copy and paste it. It will be exit. Same goes in case of ID. We also need to display the status. So let's use h1 element here. Give it an ID of status. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. That will be style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select the container class. Margin top will be 150 pixels. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. And gap will be 25 pixels. Select the h1 element. Text line will be center. Color will be white. Select button element. Border will be none. Outline will be none. Border radius will be 50 pixels. Font size will be 25 pixels. Color will be white. Background color will be cadet blue. Padding will be 10 pixel and 50 pixels. Save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. So this is the output so far. Now it's time to work on the script file. So let's go to code editor. Create script.js here. Select the enter button. So it will be query selector, hash enter. Copy and paste it. Make it exit. Same goes here. Do the same for the status. So it will be status and make it status element. Add a click event listener to both the buttons. So it will be enter button, add event listener and the click event. This will be the handler function. Copy and paste it. So make it exit. Now let's go to GitHub repo. To enter into full screen mode, you only need this piece of code. Just copy it and paste it here. So basically, first need to check whether you are allowed to enter into full screen mode or not. If you are allowed, you can call this method request and you will enter into a full screen mode. If you want to get out of it, just copy and paste it here. You need to call exit method. There is also a change event which we can monitor. So it will be screenfull.on change. This will be the handler function. So whenever we'll enter into a full screen mode and exit out of it, we can update the status. So it will be status element dot inner text. There is a property is full screen. It will return Boolean value. So if it is true, we'll show activated, otherwise deactivated. That's all what you need. Now save it, go to the browser, click on enter. So you can see now we are in a full screen mode. Click on exit and we are out of the full screen mode. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.